Well, well, well. What do we have here? You are planning a family reunion. Who am I and how do I know this? And you're planning in the Metro Detroit area. See, I'm the guy that take this and turn it into this. See for yourself. And guess what? I'm really good at it. Round of applause, everybody. Thank you, thank you, thank you. No autographs, no autographs. Hi, I'm Valdez Brown, the owner of Brown Sense Imaging. And I have an offer for you. Just submit your email below and I'm going to send you a free family reunion t-shirt design for your upcoming family reunion. See you on the other side.